Oh my god, why is there a bear?
Oh, you must be talking about my new bat. His name is Berry.
Oh my god, Canary. Why would you have a bear for a pet? You know that's dangerous.
Oh, don't worry. He's completely harmless.
Ugh, whatever.
Later.
What a nice walk. I think I should head back home. Oh my god. What the hell happened?
No, Barry, that food is not for you.
Oh my freaking god. What happened?
I'm Kiki. I can't explain.
Damn it. I knew this would happen. I told you having bears pets is a bad idea.
Don't worry, Kiki. I can take care of this.
This just in, a wild bear is on the loose and Go Animate City is under attack. Everyone take shelter immediately. We now go live to Joanna on the scene.
Thank you, Kiki. As you can see, everyone is evacuating the premises because the bear is on the loose around the city. People are panicking, school are in lockdown, and almost everyone is taking hospital and police. The FBI and the military are trying to handle the situation.
We're all going to die. We're all going to die. We're all going to die.
Everyone keep firing. Needler be down.
The entire city got destroyed. No survivors were left.